Alright, I want to show you this doorbell bracket. So it's really easy to install. You don't have to drill. This is the bracket itself. So my camera's in there. It has the foam. So you could take it off if your doorbell's camera's a little bit bigger. So make it fit. These two foams are for the back. You see one's a little bit thicker than the other. So I'm gonna put this here once I screw it in to this part. So it screws in here. This part goes, the door goes right here, and all you do is just tighten it with your hand. These little rubber pads go on the back of here. Once you screw it in, the screws are right here as well. So you screw this in. This goes right here. Screw it in, you put the little rubber pads in the back, and you're good to go. So I already ripped these out. So my doorbell camera fits perfectly in there. I'll just put this in here and then screw it in, and it's mounted. So there you go. You screw these screws in, 4 of them. It comes with 2 extra ones and the Allen wrench that you need to go in and screw them in. So let me go ahead and tighten these. And it comes with a bunch of extra of these little foam pads, these little circles. So after I tighten these up, I'm gonna put the pads on top. Okay, so here you go. Here's the case for my ring, my doorbell. So I tighten the screws and I put these little paddings on the corner. And I put in this, and it has a stopper on this side. So let's go ahead and put it on the door. So all you do is just put it, adjust it the height you want it, tighten this right here. There we go, that's pretty good. And there you go. You have a doorbell. Nice and protected. Okay, so I went ahead and mounted it. Nice and secure. The door opens and closes. There's the camera. There you have it. Keeps your ringer safe and very easy to install.